sandbox and has a seat lamp blue. So these are the colors. Purple sesame bean, pink lychee berry, brown toffee, green grape, yellow soy milk, blue sea salt coconut, and in maroon chestnut cocoa. Chestnut cocoa, yes. Let's go. Like that sound was just
You got yourself a godfather. And
you
who knows what's going on? Lou's second son is
Oh,
pretty
yeah, no.
impressive. A big boss in the city. You actually have a godfather outside. You made our whole family lose face.
Brother, don't
The
bother
box.
with me.
It's all for a better future.
I heard Li Chongting has taken in a goddaughter. Never thought it was you.
So what if it's me, Su Wan? Even if you're the chairman of Su Group, so what?
The back.
Li Chongting isn't any worse than you, right? You're ranked top 3 in Zhonghai at most. But Chongting Company is number 1. Oh my, really? Then we'll have to rely on you from now on.
I think Li Chongting must have gotten kicked in the head by a donkey to take someone like you as his goddaughter.
Talking about my godfather, do you believe if I tell my god all the companies in Zhonghai to ban you completely?
Since your father is so powerful, then why did you come to work at Su Group?
Now that it's come to this, I might as well tell you. The reason I joined Su
You
Group
got
was to
nowhere.
steal internal information. Who would have thought you couldn't recognize talent and actually sent me to a branch office for 3 years?
With your intelligence, I really don't know what Li Chongten was thinking, letting you be a spy.
You.
Okay. I understand what you do. If you're watching this, thank you.
Hey, Godfather, come here quickly. Someone is bullying me here.
What who dares to bully you?